How to log in into your Walmart employee account. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the search bar, search for Walmart employee login. Now head over to the very first site, one.walmart.com. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the official page of Walmart employee. Once you're in here, at the top right corner, tap on Login. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your account. All you gotta do is you will have to enter a login credential. First of all, enter your user ID and then select your country or the region and also enter the location. Once you have entered, tap on Sign In. If your login credentials are correct, then you will be successfully logged into your Walmart employee account and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.